I want to talk about this grass-fed beef tallow from SULU. This is a new purchase for me. I've been a fan of using beef tallow for a number of years, and I wanted to try out a new brand. Did a little bit of research online and decided to go with this. To start with, I'm a big fan of it. A lot of times people complain with tallow about an off smell or it's just not smelling good. No complaints whatsoever with that, with this product. One of my favorite ways to use beef tallow is as my preferred fat anytime I'm using anything cast iron. One, it's great to cook with just because of the flavor you get, and two, it's really good for cast iron as far as preserving the seasoning. Today I've got a couple of pork chops that I'm cooking up. You can see right there, it gives great sear, and you get a really good look and good flavor on those pork chops. After getting a really good sear on the oven, I throw a little bit of garlic in there, throw it in the oven to finish it off, and it came out looking fantastic. The flavor was amazing. I'm really enjoying this tallow so far. If you'd like to try some beef tallow, please click on the link in the description below.